us look at on closure hashing how it is resolving the collision problem. So here already we discussed three methods we are using to avoid the collision in closure hashing. First one is linear probing, second one is quadratic probing, last one is double hashing. Okay, these are the methods. First, let us consider linear probing. So linear means sequential. We know very well about the meaning of linear. Probing means searching, linear searching, like linear searching. So it is a normal meaning of probing means searching. Okay. So let us let us go to the key space. Take some example keys like 5, 10, 13, 12, 25, 33, 45. So let us consider these are the keys I need to place in the memory. So the memory is restricted to 0 to 9, that is the 10 portions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10 portions is divided. Next, here the hash function as usual, hx is equal to x mod 10. Okay. So same is a modified function. Still we are using, we did not any modification on it. Maybe for collision avoidance some modification is going to happen. Okay, 5, same thing, 5 equal to 5 mod 10, remainder is 5. So 5 index is stored like that. Next, 10 mod 10, remainder is 0. In 0 index 10 is stored. I write directly. 13 is stored at 3 index, 12 is stored at 12, 25 is already element is there. Now the problem is arise where I want to store. Like linked list, we are not extending the connection to the same index, but without extending within the limitation we need to store 25. So x 25 is 25 mod 10, the remainder is 5. So in this index 5 already having 5, so the collision is arise. Okay. So how to resolve means can take some modification on this formula. Okay, what is the modification means? H dash of x is equal to h of x plus f of I or just like I mod of 10. Here I equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on. So this is a very important thing you have to remember. Okay. So now where the problem is arise, h of x, what is the h of x? H of x value is 5. Clear? This is h of x. After completion of h of x, we are adding the place of h of x. This is the h dash of x. This is a new function. What is the value of h of x? Equal to 5. Initially I value start from 0. That is 5 mod 10. That is a 5. Still the collision is arise. Next go for I value is 1. H of x equal to again 5. I value is 1 mod 10. So 6 mod 10. What is the remainder? 6. Either check the 6th indexed position is empty or not. If the 6th indexed position is empty, then immediately place the value 25. Okay, that is a linear probing. If any place the collision is occurred, next search any alternative place is there empty. If it is empty, immediately place that element in the location. Okay, clear? Next take one more. So 5 is stored in the 5 index, and 10 is stored at the 0 index, and 13 is stored in the 3 index, and 12 is stored at index 2, and 25 is stored in 6th index. If it is there, collision is there, so then we can using some small modification in the modified function. So where in the which position is which index having empty, in that place we have stored the new element. Next 33. So 33 I write here. So first write here 33 h of 33 equal to 33 mod 10 remainder 3. Okay, 3 is a remainder. So 3, you can check the index 3 is already 13 is there, where I can add. So apply this formula. If it is any collision is occur, then go for this formula. If it is there no collision, use this formula. Okay, I think you clear. If it is index is empty, with this formula is enough to store the or place the element. Using this formula, the index position is place already element is there. If you face the collision problem, then move for this formula. Okay, so then what is the h of x? H of x is equal to 3. H of x equal to 3. So then we can start from 1 onwards. Maybe it is better, because 0 is already we did this expression. Okay, take 1 directly. If I equal to 1, and mod 10. Okay, 4 mod 10. What is the value? 4. Check either index 4 is empty or not. If index 4 is empty, then place the value of 33. Next, 33 is stored at index 4. Next, last element 45. So apply the normal method. 45 mod 10 remainder is 5. So check the index 5 is empty or not. If it is not empty, so then go for this formula. So what is the h of x? I apply this formula directly here. H of x is now 5 plus I start from I value 1 mod 10, that is a 6 mod 10, remainder is 6. Check the 6 is empty or not. As 6 having another, again the collision is occur. So next go for I value is incremented by 1. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 mod 10, remainder is 7. Let us check again 7 is empty or not. 7 is empty. So then place the 45. Okay. So this is the way of inserting the elements. If any collision is occurred, check the linear number. If the linear index is also having the collision, go for another linear. So this process is continue until to place the element at the empty place. If there is no empty place, then we can show that memory is full. That is, memory is full. Okay. If 9 is already, suppose take the element is 49. Okay, here 49, h of 49 is remainder is 9. So then place the 49. Next, suppose another element is 59. So h of 59 mod, what is the value? Remainder is 9. So already 49 is already stored in the 9th position. 49 is already stored in the 9th position. Okay, so the 59 is remainder also 9. So then we can unable to add this same index position because it is a collision. So then move for next formula. That is, what is the formula? 49 plus 1 modulo division of 10. What is the value? 50. 50 mod division. What is the value? Remainder 0. So remainder 0 is already, you can circulate. If you can go back to the initial position again. Circular Q, like circular Q. So next again apply 49 plus 2, 10, 51, 10. Remainder is 1. Index 1 is empty or not? Index 1 is empty. then place 59 in this position. Okay, so like that this process is continue linearly, that is we can check one after another, okay, until certain place is empty in any of the index position. You can place the value. If there is no empty place in the overall the memory, then you can show that memory is full. I hope you understood. Pause the video, go go one after another, maybe you are getting the idea what it is happen actually. Okay, so the drawback here, what is the drawback here generally? The drawback is if 45 actually stored at index 3, but due to some fifth location having some collision, sixth location having some collision, then it can store 49. It can store after the actual index position to two positions, after the two positions. Okay, so this is the problem. Okay, so problem is if the actual, instead of storing the element in the actual index, it can store somewhere in the memory, so it can take more time again to search. So actually we are focusing on only collision resolve. While collision resolving process, various time complexity problem is arised. Okay, if you search one after another where the place is empty, that is take a time. If you place the element, suppose if you want to search the same element, do the same procedure to reach that element. Okay, so it is general problems. If you solve one thing, some other problem shall arise. Okay, so this is also face a time complexity problem. Okay, take a more time, but ultimately it can solve the collision problem, but it can take time. Okay, time complexity is high. So next move for another method, quadratic problem.